Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you these swatches and I'm gonna review this liquid lipstick from the brand Morphe. I got to see this lipstick on Nykaa and I thought of trying it out. I have never ever tried this brand before, and when I saw this on Nykaa I thought of trying it out. This is their matte liquid lipstick and the shade I picked up is Nibble, and this is for 1000 rupees and the quantity you get is around 4.5 ml. There are around 10 shades available, so I picked up this shade Nibble. I wanted to try out one shade before trying other shades because I have never tried this brand and never tried this range of lipsticks, so I was like, I don't want to spend 1000 rupees and later on regretting that, oh shit, I should have not bought this lipstick. So I just picked up the shade Nibble from their liquid matte range, and I also picked up one more lipstick, which is their bullet lipstick, which is also a matte finish, and I'm gonna do a separate review for that. So today I'm just gonna review this liquid lipstick. And let's talk about the packaging. So it comes in a cardboard packaging like this, so all the details about the product is printed on the box, and this is how the lipstick looks like. So you can see the logo M here, that is the Morphe, and I really like the packaging. It's pretty nice, sturdy, classy. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like on my lips. It has a mild smell. It does not bother me, and it goes off after a couple of minutes. This is how this lipstick looks like on my lips. I'll just show you the hand swatch. This is a beautiful brick brown color, and this shade will look pretty on all skin tones. You just need 2 to 3 swipes to get the proper color on your lips, and it just dries off within couple of seconds. As you can see now, it's completely dried off. So I really like this shade, and I think this shade will look pretty on all skin tones. The consistency of this lipstick is not that thick. It's really very light. It gives a proper matte finish, and unlike other liquid lipstick, this lipstick is really very light on the lips. I don't feel I have applied anything on my lips. It didn't make my lips dry or something after the application. It's comfortable on my lips, and I really like the way how it looks on my lips. So talking about the staying power, the staying power of this lipstick is not more than 7 to 8 hours, which I think is pretty decent. If you eat something, it might fade a bit, but otherwise it doesn't smudge, it doesn't fade, it doesn't transfer, which is really good. And I really like this lipstick. I am really happy with this purchase, and I'm definitely gonna try out other colors from this range of liquid lipsticks. And overall, I'm really happy with this liquid lipstick, and definitely recommend if you're looking to buy any shade from this range of liquid lipstick. You can give it a try. I am really impressed. So overall, a decent liquid lipstick, and which stays for a decent amount of time. So this was a review of this liquid lipstick from the brand Morphe, and the shade I have reviewed is Nibble. I hope this review was helpful for you guys, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care. Bye.